Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi viewers, I'm SAHADAT. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare orange juice. Let's start the preparation of orange juice. This is orange squeezer. I will use this one for squeeze the orange. So if you don't have this one, you can use any other materials or you can use your hands to squeeze orange. You will need orange. This is fresh orange. Cut it in the middle. And squeeze it. I already squeezed 2 orange, so let's start it. Actually, I like sweet because I'm Mr. Sweet, so I will add 2 spoons of sugar. I'll take ice now, ice cube. Keep the ice in the glass. Now pour it into the glass. Stir it so sugar will melt. Now I will put a slice of orange to decorate it. And I'll put some mint leaves also. And I'll put a straw. This is ready to drink. I hope you are able to make it better than me. So make it, take a photo and post it in the comments. Thank you.